Hi, I'm Kirk Grace. I'm the vineyard director here at Stag's Wine Cellars, and I wanted to show off our compost tea brewer today that we use for helping to reduce vine stress, especially right now with water at such a premium. What we have here is a 500-gallon tank that with 4 baskets in it that we fill up with compost, and this is partially empty right now, but you can see the foam, which kind of connotes the biological activity and respiration that's going on. But the water is bubbled for a period of about 24 to 36 hours, and the microbial population is allowed to increase. We give it a food source also, and then we go out into the vineyard and inject that into the drip irrigation system. And by using this, we reduce vine stress, especially right now when it's so hot and dry, and we're able to reduce the actual amount of water that we have to apply as a result of that.